To send PDF or spreadsheet file from an iPhone to Kali Linux, or just simply put, Linux operating system, these are the steps you need to take. First, tap on the settings of your iPhone. Once the settings of your iPhone opens, you will be on this interface that looks like this. Okay, tap on your name. In this case, the name here is Godwin Richard. On tapping on the name, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Scroll down on this page and then tap on iCloud. On tapping on iCloud, scroll down on the page again and you will see this option, Access iCloud Data on the web. Make sure that this button is toggled on, just as you can see right now. Okay, so let's take further steps. Then after that, tap on your Safari web browser, which is usually pinned on the home screen. As the web browser opens, visit iCloud.com. Okay, so I will type iCloud.com and then I will search. If you're accessing iCloud on the web for the first time, you'll be requested to insert your iCloud email address followed by password. All right, so once you do that, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. So let's take further steps. Then scroll down on that page until you get to this section where you have mail, photos, drive, notes, and the rest. Okay, tap on drive. On tapping on drive, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Tap on the upload icon, which is at the top center. Then you're provided with some options. Select choose files. This will open a location on your iPhone. Alright, so you know the location where the file is. Okay, the PDF file or the spreadsheet file is. So select that location. Here you can see on my iPhone, I'm on my iPhone. If I tap the arrow that points back, I will see other locations. But the file I need here is on my iPhone. So I will tap on my iPhone. Okay. Then search for the file. If there are so many files here, you can use the extension to search for it. Take for example, I want to upload PDF. I will tap inside the place they have search. All right. Then I will type in .pdf. Okay, PDF. This will filter down all the PDF files I have here. So it's left for me to now scroll down until I get to the PDF file I want to use and tap on it. So let me tap on this one here named combined PDF. Now on selecting the PDF file, if you want to select more than one, keep on tapping on others, but I'm okay with this one. So the next step is to tap on open. Give it time for the PDF file to be uploaded. You can see combined PDF. All right, so now that we have uploaded the PDF file, which can still be a Excel spreadsheet file, let's get to the Kali Linux PC to complete the rest of the processes from there. All right, I am on my Kali Linux machine. So the first step you need to take once you get your Kali Linux is to click on the default browser, which is Firefox in this case. The browser will open and you will have yourself on this interface, okay? That looks like this. Click on this address bar section and type iCloud.com. Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to load. I am taken to this page automatically. I'm logged in automatically because I saved my login details on this browser. But if you're accessing this platform for the first time, you will be required to sign in with your iCloud email address. See mine here, okay? And the password. So once you sign in successfully, do the verification that will be required from you through your iPhone. You'll find yourself on this interface. Then the next step is to scroll down to this category section. Click on Drive. We selected Drive because you uploaded the PDF file here, all right? So look at that PDF file. We called it combine PDF. All right, click on the file once. Once you click on the file, it will be selected. Click on the three dots attached to it and select download a copy. And this PDF file is downloaded into my PC and is opened automatically. So let's get to my PC to see if this PDF file is there really. The next step I need to take is to take my cursor to this section and click on this icon. Select open folder. Now, this will open a folder in the file section of your Linux machine. All right, click on downloads. Now, look at the PDF file here. We call it combined PDF.